Good morning, everyone. It's August 19 and it's still 6:42 a.m. Clear skies. I haven't checked the weather yet, pero uptown status traffic is around moderate na from Corpus to Xavier, slowly building up. The traffic is slowly building up. Right now I'm at the campus of the future and it's still free flowing. Corpus lang and Xavier is slightly building up na ang traffic. So may slow down dyan sa Corpus and Xavier, between Corpus and Xavier area.